Morning, YouTubers. What's up? We got some big old knives here today. Guessing that to be about 2.5 overall. They are sharp. Got a name on them. I think they come from Taiwan or Japan or somewhere. It took them like a month to get here. They are sharp. Hold up pretty short too. Pretty neat, I thought. Hammer, a nice spring right there, part of the frame. Well, folks, you're somewhere and you lose your big knife, you always have a little one. Thanks for looking, folks. Have a good day. Stay safe. God bless you. Please subscribe. Thank you, thank you, thank you.